Security teams know the risk. A quick Linux fix during an outage can quietly introduce unauthorized access and violate compliance policies without anyone noticing. For enterprises managing critical infrastructure, that can be a serious problem. In this demo, we'll explore how ScienceLogic automatically detects Linux configuration drifts, flags account policy violations, and restores compliance fast and reliably. Let's take a quick look.
An ongoing and unfortunately manual challenge for the e-com team is maintaining access security. Specifically, they need to ensure that non-approved user accounts are not added to the retail outlet web servers. During troubleshooting, admin accounts are sometimes added directly, and that is in violation of policy. So the customer is using ScienceLogic runbooks and automated change detection to solve that. Let's take a look. We'll start by drilling into an application-specific dashboard, where we can see the critical metrics that are related to this application infrastructure, including the service health, maps, included resources, and performance metrics related to the performance of this application. Now, right down here at the bottom in the events, we can see this one right here, that there's been a compliance violation indicating that unapproved accounts were added to the e-commerce web server. This is detected by Configuration Manager. Configuration Manager detected the change in this Linux server and ran a policy scan to discover the violation for user accounts. This alert is really handy, contextualized along with the rest of the other events for this application, but it's probably not where the security team would find it. For that, they'd find it in the security report. Here we're looking at a security compliance dashboard, which includes not only the servers in this application, but also the network components as well. And we can see right here that we've got an unapproved account added to this server. Let's go ahead and drill into this server for further analysis and so we can take action. In the device view for the server, along with the overview, performance metrics, and other data, we can drill in and look at the events for this system. And of course, we can see right here our compliance violation event. If I scroll over here to the automated actions wrench and I click on it, we can see the set of automations that executed in response to this event. And if we scroll down here just a little bit, right here you can see that there was a configuration change detected, including an out-of-policy account called Special Admin. Now we could go ahead and remediate this right now using a runbook, but there's another policy in place which requires that a ticket be created inside of ServiceNow for any security-related incidents. And right here you can see this external ticket ID. Let's click on that. And with one click, we're automatically taken to the incident that was created inside of ServiceNow. In addition to creating the incident, ScienceLogic automatically also attached it to the correct configuration item, set the priority and impact, and provided details that were related to this incident. But there's more. Let's scroll down a little bit to the related activities, and here we can see that ScienceLogic has also enriched this ticket, providing the security-related details for the policy violation, including the actual account name that was created in violation of policy. Consider the amount of administrator time saved here. Detection, ticket creation, and enrichment, and we are now ready to remediate this. So to remediate the security issue and get the system back into compliance, we're going to take advantage of a ScienceLogic runbook action. Let's go back to the original event here inside of the device view and click on it. Here we can see details related to the event, policy, confirm that we're going to take action on the right device, and access our tools menu. And right here you can see an intelligent recommendation about what to do next. This is automatically contextualized by the device and the type of event. And in this case, we're going to execute this runbook, which applies the correct security policy for e-commerce front-end web servers.
ScienceLogic transforms how IT and security teams manage compliance, from detecting unauthorized Linux configuration changes, to creating enriched ServiceNow tickets, to triggering automated remediation. Everything happens in one intelligent workflow without any of the guesswork. Ready to see more of how ScienceLogic detects and resolves compliance drift automatically? Check out the rest of our product video series.